Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. In this class, let us continue to solve our step by step book, children. So, see there, page number 36, fifth main. We have already discussed the fourth main. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the brackets. So, now let us discuss what frame negative sentences from the following. So, children, if the sentence is in present or past, if the sentence is in present tense or past tense, we will use what? Do form of helping verb, do form of helping verb plus not to frame what? Negative sentence. So, in simple present, we will use do or does when the subject is plural. We will use what? Do plus not to frame the negative sentence. When the subject is singular and if the verb is in a present tense, we will use what? Does plus not. So also with I and you, we will use what? Do plus not to frame the negative sentences. So if the sentence is in a past tense, children, if the sentence is in past tense or if the verb is in past tense, we will use what? Did plus not to frame the negative sentence. So children, let us solve our step by step book now, children. Frame negative sentences from the following. The Indian cricket team won the match. Here the verb won. Okay, one is the verb here. It is in what? V2 form, or it is in past form. So what we will use? We will use did not. See here, the Indian cricket team did not. Already we have used what? The past form of do form of helping verb. So the main verb will be changed to present form, that is V1 form. So it becomes the Indian cricket team did not win the match. So we'll go for the second one. My father takes me a ride every day. Here the verb is takes. It is in simple present, that is V1 plus yes or es, as the subject is singular. The subject is singular. Here the verb, it is in V1 plus yes or es. So we will use what? My father does not. So s or es, we are already using it with the do form of helping verb, that is does. So here with the main verb we will not add what? Yes or es. So it becomes my father does not take me for a ride every day. So next we will see third one. They fight with each other. Here the verb is fight. It is in V1 form. Here the subject is plural. Okay, with the plural we will use what? Do form of helping. Do. Okay, they do not fight with each other. Next we'll go for fourth one. I feel bored during the vacation. Bored, it is in what? V2 form. So what you will use? You will use did not. I did not feel bored. I did not feel bored during the vacation. Okay, children. Next, we'll see our next question. It loses its color in the sun. So, loses. It is what? V1 form. Simple present. V1 plus yes or yes. So we will use what? Does plus not before this verb. It does. It does not. Okay. Or you can also write what? Short form of do not is don't. Short form of does not is doesn't, and short form of did not is didn't. Either you can write as do not, does not, or did not, or you can simply use the short form of do not, does not, and did not. So it does not lose its color in the sun. So next, the servant swept the floor. So here the verb it is in V2 form. So we will use what? Did not before the main verb to frame what? Negative sentence. The servant did not sweep the floor. Next, my neighbors shut the windows when they go out. So here shut it is in what? V1 form, and the subject is plural here. So the subject is plural here. So my neighbors, as the subject is plural, we will use what? Do not. My neighbors do not shut the windows when they go out. So next one, Amit spoke politely to the stranger. So spoke it is in what? V2 form. It is in past tense. This sentence it is in past tense. So we will use what? Did not before the main verb to frame negative sentence. Amit did not speak politely to the stranger. Next, we change our place every day. So here change it is in a V1 form. The sentence is in simple present, and the subject is plural here. Okay, the subject is plural here. So we will what we will use? We will use what? Do not. We do not change our place every day. Next, Priya wept when she fell down. Here the verb is wept. It is in what? V2 form. It is in past tense. The sentence is in past tense. So what we will use? We will use did not, and the verb is changed to V1. So Priya did not weep when she fell down. So always remember, children, whenever the verb is in simple past to frame negative sentence, you will use what? Did. Okay, you will use did not. So this did, it is already in past, so the main verb is changed to what? V1 form. So the main verb will be changed to V1 form. So next, children, frame questions for the following answers. They have given the questions, they have given the answers. You have to frame questions for those answers. Ravi spent his vacation in Bangalore. Here the verb is in V2 form. So while framing question, what you have to use? You have to use did. Okay, where did Ravi spend So you have already used did, it is in past, so the verb will be changed to V1 form. Where did Ravi spend his vacation? Next, mother cuts the vegetable with a knife. Okay, cuts the vegetable. So here it is in verb is in V1 plus yes or es, simple present. So how does? So if the verb is in simple present, it should be do or does. How does mother cut the vegetable? Next, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Wake, it is in V2 form. So it should be at what time? At what time did you sorry it is in V1 form. The wake, it is in V1 form. So at what time do you wake up in the morning? Next, Arjun shot at the bird's eye with a bow and arrow. Shot, it is in V2 form. What did Arjun shoot with a bow and arrow? Next, Rekha reads loudly. So it is in V1 form. How does Rekha read? Thank you, children. I hope you have understood. Let's continue in our next class.